Looking for an ink cartridge that not only brings your photos to life but also stretches your printing budget? The CL261XL Color Ink Cartridge promises vibrant, colorful prints while letting you print more pages before needing a replacement. If that's you, this cartridge is worth a closer look. I've been using the CL261XL for my Canon printer, and it's made a noticeable difference. The XL capacity means fewer cartridge changes, which saves time and hassle, especially when I'm printing PDFs for my studies or colorful photos. What really stands out is the print quality combined with the genuine PG260 black ink cartridge and Canon photo paper. Thanks to Canon's Chroma Life 100 system, my photos resist fading longer, keeping memories sharp and vivid over time. Beyond just quality, genuine Canon inks are engineered to deliver reliable performance tailored specifically for Canon printers. That means no leaks, no clogs, and consistent results every time. Customers across the U.S. have praised these cartridges for their dependable operation and better value compared to store-bought options. The extra ink in the XL cartridge gives you more mileage, making the slightly higher price a smart investment for anyone who prints regularly. If you want hassle-free printing with vibrant, long-lasting colors and more pages per cartridge, the CL261XL Color Ink cartridge is a solid choice. It's designed to protect your photos and keep your printer running smoothly. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your printing experience and enjoy the benefits of genuine Canon quality.